What better time than now to buy a Roadster? This is a 1999 Corvette Roadster convertible, just a pampered two-owner vehicle with 30,000 original miles on it, excellent service records, and it drives just as good as it looks. Now I really can appreciate a nice C5 Corvette, especially in this condition, guys. You should see this thing in person. It is beautiful. Again, two owners only. The second owner owned it since 2004. So what better than reassurance to have service history records dating all the way back to then. Speaking of which, he did upgrade the wheels on this. It does have the C5 Z06 chrome replica wheels. They're wrapped in a Michelin Pilot Sport all-season tire that are pretty much brand spanking new on them. The tread is immaculate. And I don't know about you, but I think the most important part of the car is the sex appeal, and the shoes have everything to do with it. So the wheels give it that pop, but still originality because they are a Corvette OEM wheel. Love the C5s because of the round circle taillights, the quad taillights on them, paired with the chrome quad-tipped exhaust. Just nostalgic Corvette for you. You don't see them in this condition all the time. 30,000 original miles, looks like it only has 3,000 on it. This torch red paint is beautiful. I've walked around the car a bunch of times. I really can't find anything major to point out as far as blemishes. There may not be a stone chip or two here in the front bumper just because the car sits so low, so driving naturally behind someone on the road, they're gonna kick up some stuff. It might, debris, it might chip up the front end a little bit, but nothing to worry about. This car is gorgeous. The headlights, the pop-up lights work. Both motors are in working condition. The badging is beautiful on this thing. It really is showroom condition, guys. It looks just as good in person as it does on the camera. The brakes and rotors have been relatively replaced within the last 10,000 miles as well. The rotors are in really nice shape. The black soft top, the convertible top, is also in excellent condition. We'll get a pan shot of that for you. So that thing is beautiful. No rips or tears, anything like that. No stains. This car is it's gorgeous, tip to tail. Let's take a look inside. Now, even though this is a 99, it still has all the premium loaded equipment in here, full power interior. This does feature the 1SE driver memory package on it, so you have 2 driver memory modes on it. It does have the active ride control as well that you can tune or change the dial on the go. So you have touring mode, sport mode, and performance mode on this. It's going to change the ride stiffness, the way it corners and handles. So it doesn't get much better than that, especially in a beautiful C5 Vette. Power tilt, telescopic steering wheel, dual climate control. This thing has ice cold AC, as well as a premium Bose surround stereo in here. So loaded to the brim. Doesn't get much better than that. It even has head-up display. For a 1999, you're like, no kidding, they had that back then, but yes they did, and they added it to this Vette. The condition, guys, immaculate. The black leather seats are beautiful. The driver one, very, very minimal wear on the side bolster just from getting in and out, but you can hardly tell. It definitely doesn't look like it has 30,000 miles on it. The carpet is gorgeous. The dash is beautiful. There's no cracks. Same with the door panels. They still look just like they did new. So this thing has been very well pampered. Of course, we want to be thorough and show you the car head to toe. So we're going to take a look at the trunk area. Again, the carpet is beautiful, the jambs, the weather stripping, the shocks hold the trunk up nicely. This does have the 3 storage compartments here, so it has the false floors in here. And the center one, it is equipped with the 12-disc CD changer in here. So you can throw in your favorite burned CDs, like that was very popular in the 90s to do, early 2000s, and jam out with the top down. You even have the original cargo net here as well. So again, you can only keep something this clean. You can't make it look this new after it's been weathered or abused. So now remember, you can only keep a car this clean. You can't make it look this clean. So keep that in mind when you're looking around for a new vehicle. Now guys, just remember, myself and Jay, we handpick these cars. We look for them all over the country. We try to bring you the best of the best that we can find. I definitely am proud to present this car. It is gorgeous, tip to tail, runs like a top, doesn't need anything except a new driver. So if you guys enjoy vehicles like this Vette, subscribe to our channel. If you click the bell icon, you'll get notified every single time a new video gets posted because you don't want to miss out. We got some really sweet rides coming in and out of this place almost every single day. For the full photo shoots, write-up descriptions, and inventory, you can visit volocars.com. We have a couple hundred, both modern muscle and classic cars. They're all for sale, so check them out. And I love how the C5 hoods open up from the front or from the back to the front, just like this. It exposes a nice wide engine bay area, easy to work on. But take a look at this thing. Obviously, it's equipped with the LS1 5.7 liter V8 engine, 345 horsepower from the factory. So for $19.99, not too bad. It is mated to a 4-speed automatic with overdrive transmission on it. And again, it has the active ride control, so you can change the suspension on it. Underneath the carriage, or the undercarriage, underneath the car, excuse me, is really excellent condition. Again, no major weathering on components, no major rust, anything like that. This thing has been very well preserved its entire life. Now it's sitting on 4-wheel independent suspension, dual wishbones up front. It does have active handling traction control in the rear. This is a rear-wheel drive car, so it is a sports car, guys. It's not going to win every race, but if you want something to cruise that still has some pep in its step, that'll beat the Priuses or Toyota Corollas on the road, get yourself a 99 Vette. All right, guys, we're going to take this Vette around the block, just show you that it drives with no issues. Of course, it's a gorgeous day. We have the top down. This thing's comfy, no weird noises, no weird vibrations, shakes, anything like that. No lights on the dash, everything works. Let's test out this AC, even with the top down. It's already kicking in, all in a matter of less than a minute. So that's nice. Stereo system works real nicely as well. It's just a fun car to cruise. The brakes are beautiful on this thing, no shakes. All right. Just like that, we're up to cruising speeds. Steer straight. Don't even have to keep your hand on the wheel. For being a 99, it really doesn't get in much better shape than this, guys. So that was my impression on this 99 Roadster. Again, equipped with all the power accessories, 2-owner pampered vehicle, excellent service records, 30,000 original miles. It doesn't need a thing except a new owner. Get in and drive it with confidence, reassurance. We double inspect all our vehicles here at Volo. So if you are interested in purchasing it, go to the website, click the Buy It Now button, secure that deposit. We can help set up financing on any vehicle in our facility. We can also set up cross-country shipping, door-to-door service. It doesn't get much easier than that. We do all the work for you, so give us a call and inquire. Thanks for watching this video.